Hello, Iron. This is Tommy. First of all, thank you for the fast design. That looks really, really good. Just now that you've made pretty much the same website as I wanted, we will need to make sure it's unique with some different colors. Different background, different icons, and different images. We might remove or add some a few things, but overall it looks really great. I don't know if you have any different icons. We can replace these icons with some unique icons. I was thinking maybe we could use an image like this one. Let me show you as the main image for the website. Also, if you want to look at the website that looks similar with the same catchy homepage, look at devilemark.com. The guy is really good, really renowned in the SEO industry. So look at this website. Here you have call to action, contact form. I might be willing to add like a catchy tagline here. It would be like be first. Be visible, be first, in bold, big letter, be visible, be first, with this background. Actually, not this background. So here it would be the call to action, the contact form on this side, and yeah, and on this side, be visible, be first. I will also send you the PSD logo because I'd like to remove the tagline here from the logo on the main logo. I don't need the tagline here, just Mr. SEO without tagline here. So I'll remove this tagline. So I'll send you the PSD. For the colors, I prefer maybe some gray, some black, more simple colors, because I don't want the same exact website with same exact colors. So we can just customize the website with different colors and different services. But again, you made an awesome job in terms of design. I might remove some sections. Maybe we can try some different backgrounds here. But overall, it looks really, really good. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing as my competitor, but I want something unique. So that's pretty it. Okay, you put them up here. That's perfect. Good. I don't know if you have any. Let me know if you have any icons already in stock. So as I said again, I'd like this section on the right side, different image background, and a call to action. So 2 words in bold would be like. Let me show you. Okay, so this image in the background, be first, be visible, be visible, be first in big, bold font, white, maybe something like that. So thank you very much. I really appreciate the work you did. It's nothing big, just small things to change to make sure it's unique and not the same exact thing as my competitor. So that's pretty much it. I might remove some parts because this company offers some more services. They offer PPC. I don't do PPC. I don't really do social media, but I do content. I do local SEO, national SEO, e-commerce SEO. So I do every kind of SEO, link building. So that's pretty much it. I think this looks good, but I'd like to remove these images and replace them with some more professional images if possible. That's fine. Again, I don't know do you have in stock some other images or maybe icons that we could replace these images? You can also look at this website. I like this phone number here. We could use something like this, maybe a phone number we could add here, or I don't know, we could find a way to add the phone number. Okay, this website, okay, this one is a bit similar, but different at the same time. So there's image, text, and then text, and blog, right away blog. So there's a bit less content, but it still look really good. So yeah, that's pretty it, honestly. Really satisfied. We just need to change the colors so it don't look the same. It needs to be unique. In terms of colors, I like really simple website, like if you look Boreal Media, yeah, or if you look simple modern black colors. Look how simple the colors are. So black, gray, professional blue. So I like these colors. It's a bit too dark for me. It's too dark for me, but I like the blue. White, it stands out, so that looks good. So yeah, that's pretty. There's this one looks good. These colors looks good. Hope you get it. Again, thanks. You did an awesome job. Really satisfied. I hope I'll be able to edit everything on Divi. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to do so. But yeah, so remove this part. Add the phone number here. Change this this call to action on the right side with different background images and different images, different colors. If you don't have any images, let me know. I'll try to find some images or some content, or if you have any icons, it needs to look really professional. I might change the name here, but that's details. And I don't know if you designed. Okay. Okay, a small thing. When we load the website, I love this part, but the logo is not centered. It's a bit on the right side, so if you could just make sure it's centered. I might be a bit picky, but you know, that's it. So yeah. Thank you very much. Honestly, it looks really, really, really good. So again, let me know if you can do all these changes. Give me a call or email me. Enjoy your time with your family tomorrow. I guess it's today because in India it's not the same time frame. But thank you very much, Iron. Take care. Bye-bye.